What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, we got another Z in, 2023 Z. Beautiful rose red, they call it, I think, or something, but I say maroon. Anyways, sexy Z, the new ones. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. So it's got a tone to it. Nothing crazy, just clean. A little sporty sound. This is the sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Again. Right at 91. Let you guys hear. I'm gonna let you guys hear the tone on the inside too. 1 second. Because it's a new car, guys, I'm going to show you the undercarriage before on this Z by Nissan. So factory converter there, then it's 1 3/4 flex pipes there and there. So we're just going to cut it here and here and run 2 1/4 all the way back with an X pipe. This is Nissan's way of an X pipe right there. Then it's got 2 resonators, one there, one there. So they changed it up for the 23. We have a video of a 22 on our channel. We'll tag it in there if we can for you guys so you can watch the other one. We did just a muffler delete on it. And look how they did the system on this one. So they ran it out and then they ran like basically a J pipe muffler setup right there for no drone. Cool design there and there. And then they added resonated tips also to clean it up more. That's why it had a nice tone to it. But I hate those tips. We're gonna replace them with carbon fiber tips. They'll look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. We'll show it to you. All right, guys, 2023 Z. No more 370, no more 350, no more 400, just Z. Do the gang sign of the Z. Up. Anyways, what we got done on it now, showed you guys what it looked like before. Now, factory converters, there and there. Then factory flex pipes there. Then we did 2 1/4 all the way through, true duals with an X pipe. True flow X pipe right there. 2 1/4 continues all the way back on each side there and right there. Into some carbon fiber blue flame tips. Why not? Titanium tips. Looks so good, so clean with them on there. And, we'll have a link in the description for the tips for you guys. They are 4-inch tips, so fills the gap nice and clean. And this was the system that we cut off. It's only got 800 miles on it, guys. Look at that. That's where it wires into a single, then wires back out, 2 resonators, 2 intermediate pipe. There's the muffler setup on these things. Crazy design. A lot of engineering, I guess, goes into them. Gave it a nice sound, but it was just too quiet. And it's got the resonated tips out the back. There it is, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The new Z, boys. Ready for action. Much better. That's how they should have came. I don't know why they did all that. Perfect. So much better. Your sound decibels again. 109. True dual Z. Z. I like it. So much better. Turbo too. Go ahead and back it out. You gotta tint the windows. It'll look really sick. It's a good looking car. Wow. You can hear the turbo whistle. I like it. out with the old, in with the new. That's why we added the blue accents a little bit. It just gives it that exotic look. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. That opened it up drastically. It's only got 800 miles on it. Here we go. More traffic. Wow. Wow, that thing flies, man. Wow. Love it.